Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App video. Today I'm going to show you how to check a detailed performance report for your stock investment portfolio. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. The last thing I said sounded super fancy, but let's go ahead, hop to the stock section, the investment section. We can break this down, make it way more simple. So if you don't know, you can buy and sell stocks on Cash App. It's super easy to do. I highly recommend trying it out. We can buy as little as $1 of any stock. Up here at the top, you'll have a chart, a 1-day chart, 1 week chart, 1 month, 1 year, all, etc. So this is going to track your portfolio performance all time. From there, we have My Investments, which is just a basic overview of your investing so far. So I've invested $280 and my gain is $84. Under that is your portfolio, so all of the stocks that you own. You can also tap the 3 dots and filter total investment value. So there's a little breakdown of my portfolio. Below that, they just have a bunch of other sections that aren't as important. But what we want to do is come up here to My Investments at the top. And they've added a brand new feature that gives you like a detailed report. So under the My Investments section, you want to tap the 3 dots. This is going to give you your lifetime performance report. So currently invested $280, and there's a little information icon next to all of these, so you can tap that. So this is the amount you paid for stocks that you currently hold. Unrealized gain, $84. Unrealized gain up 29%. Then there's a sales section. So I'm actually down to $7 on my sales, mostly because I've only sold stocks that I just didn't want anymore. I kind of made some bad decisions, got in some stuff, and I wanted to slim down my portfolio, so I just dumped them. And then below that, there will be all-time totals, and then below that is dividends. So I've received 7 cents in dividends so far. So not very much on the dividend section. But there's how you get the overall lifetime performance report for your portfolio. You can also go into any individual stock. We'll tap on Square here and then scroll down, and under My Investment you can see I've invested $102, $30.73 gain. And I can tap the 3 dots next to that. You can see I've currently invested $102, unrealized gain $30.61, 30%. I haven't sold any Square. I'm going to hold on to this long term. All-time totals and dividends. So Square doesn't pay any dividends. We could go back and check out a dividend stock. Like I think Apple pays dividends. So I've invested $5 in Apple, gained $1.74, and made 2 cents in dividends. So that's something to think about as well. Figure out the dividend schedule, how much each stock pays dividends. Maybe if I invested like $10,000 in Apple, the dividends could actually be worth it. But there you have it. There's an overview of the performance report feature for Cash App stocks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.